Hello guys, meet me again in Nyanyi Bareng Dea. I'm sorry I rarely update my watercoloring tutorial. In this video, in this time, I will start to speak English because I want to improve my English, even though my English is not so really good. So I'm so sorry if some word or some sentences you don't understand much, because I want to speaking good in English. My husband also asking me to speaking good in English. In this video, I will unbox a watercolor product which is a gift from our friend. And this is, tada! Winsor & Newton 24 color. Actually, this is not the first Winsor & Newton I have, because before I already have this Winsor & Newton 12 color, and this one is upgrade from that. Winsor & Newton is my dream watercolor and I like it so much, and thank you to our friends who give this for me. Thank you guys, I love it so much. So we start to unboxing. This is still in wrap, plastic wrapping, everything. Okay, let's reopen. Actually, this is falling by my husband, so if there is something bad from this, I will angry to him so much. Okay. Ta-da! Wow! This is so good. Thank you. Okay, let's open this. Okay, let's reopen. Oh. Wow, amazing. I don't know, it's because this is my dream watercolor, so it's so, how can I say, wow. You can say this is too much, but I think it's amazed me so much. Look, this is a palette, and this is the watercolor 24, and there is a gift free brush number 3 from Winsor & Newton. Okay. In Winsor & Newton 12 color, you get a travel brush, a little teeny like this. Sorry for dirty color here because I always use. And in this 24 color, you get a longer, but so good. Quiet good. This is also good. I love Winsor. I searched for a long time this 24 color, and the price is about $750. It's around $53, and for me it's a little bit expensive. I also found this paper from the packet. It's the color. This. Besides that, our friend also gave this koi watercolor brush. This is the second one I have. I will unbox later. So this time I will unbox the watercolor pen from Winsor & Newton. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, start from this color. Okay, we try this watercolor. I use silver black velvet number 4 for this, and Art Media A6 watercolor paper 200 GSM. Okay. Before that, let's give watering to this. So pigmented. bright and thick. Let's try another color. Purplish. Wow, this will be my favorite color. Okay guys, finished to try this watercolor, and the result is this watercolor is so pigmented and so bright. The color is so bright, you can see bright color and thick, but the texture of this watercolor is looking so creamy. You can see from this I have before, I told you this one, look, so creamy, especially this yellow, different with Sakura. In Sakura is like this, the color is not going out from the place, but in Winsor it's because creamy, I think that's why going something like this. This watercolor so easy to dry and has so nice transparency, you can see, so nice, and you still can blend the color even though this already dry. Look, you still can play with the color. Something I like from this 24 color is they have black color, two black color, because I cannot find that black color in this 12 series pen. You just have blue and brown, but some color has similar stones, just like this blue and this one. Okay guys, that's all. I hope this video helps you if you look for watercolor to buy. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, you can click like. If you like my channel, you can click subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.